case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2005, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit heard the case Chao v. Occupational Safety and Health Review Commission, which evaluated the authority of the commission to assess penalties against employers who violate the Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSH Act regulations. The case involved Eric K. Ho, who employed unlicensed workers for a renovation project involving asbestos without proper protection. He was found guilty of breaking the Clean Air Act and was held responsible for 22 violations of asbestos respirator and training regulations. The court agreed that Ho affected interstate commerce by denying valid commercial asbestos firms the opportunity to work on the site, and focused on whether Ho intentionally violated the OSH Act regulations. Ultimately, the court ruled that he did not violate the OSH Act willfully. However, the court did find the commission's decision to impose training and respirator citations per employee to be reasonable and legally consistent. The court agreed with the commission's assessment of one violation against Ho for not providing respirators to 11 workers during an asbestos removal project, and increased the remaining penalties to the maximum due to Ho's severe violations and lack of good faith.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.